the ultimate WhatsApp clincher is here on Times Now. We are going to show you how the testimonies simply are not adding up. On 9th of June, 14th of June, there are WhatsApp chats which have been accessed by us. Remember, 14th of June is the day when Sushant Singh Rajput's body was found. All those four people who had found his body had claimed that around 10:30, they started knocking on his door, which is when they started raising an alarm. If at 10:30 they started realizing that something is amiss, there is a curious case of WhatsApp chats we've managed to access, which shows how at 10:48 there was a mysterious message which went out by Dipesh Sawant. Let's get our viewers this message, which is going to perhaps clear a lot of air or perhaps raise even more questions than answers. This is the WhatsApp chat that Times Now has managed to access. This is between Dipesh and one of the friends, Zaveri, who is a friend of Sushant Singh Rajput. In this WhatsApp chat, you have on 14th of June. Now, this date is very, very crucial, which is why we've highlighted it for you here as well. That 10:51 a.m., 14th of June, this is the time when allegedly Dipesh and all were very worried that Sushant Singh Rajput is not answering his door. In the midst of this chaos and confusion, what's surprising is that Dipesh then sends out a message to one of the friends of Sushant Singh Rajput, Zaveri, saying, please reply. The first one which we are going to get for you, this is the entire chat that we have. Hi sir, SSR asked me to get in touch with you regarding one of the e-commerce giants. And then the reply from Zaveri is that Bhai is safe. No, this is because it seems that around 2:48, this man, Zaveri, who's a friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, realized that something was amiss. And then he started replying back, say, Bhai is safe. No, please reply yes or no. Bhai, we are outside. Let me know if you need anything. This is around 3:34. Goes on to say, Bhai, koi bhai help chahiye to phone kar lena. We will be there in 5 minutes. So this is a concerned friend who is replying to Dipesh. But what is interesting is this first message when it says, hi sir, SSR asked me to get in touch with you regarding one of the e-commerce giants. So that is the surprising bit. Why is it that Dipesh wrote that Sushant Singh Rajput had asked me to get in touch with you? Interestingly, at a time when Dipesh himself told the CBI that he was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput, who was allegedly locked in, and he didn't know what the fate of Sushant Singh Rajput was. So all these questions now have started emerging. Let me go across to our reporters who are joining us. There is Mohit Sharma, Mohit Bhatt, as well as Tamal and Kajal joining us. Let me first go across to Tamal Saha. He's joining us from outside the DRDO guest house. That's where the 4th day of grilling is also happening for Riya Chakravarti. Not just Riya, Tamal, you have all of them coming up with their testimonies. They are spilling the beans in the DRDO guest house to the CBI. One person who's being quizzed is Dipesh Sawant, whose chat we've brought for our viewers. You need to tell us, what did he tell the CBI, and does it go with this chat that we've managed to access? Is it corroborating it?
Well, you know, this is a very, very clinching evidence given the fact that this chat, this conversation happened on June 14. Now check out the time. The time is around 10:51. Dipesh has so far maintained that he had seen Sushant Singh Rajput last around 8:30. Now, and he has also gone on record as per sources giving testimony to CBI suggesting that by 11 o'clock or by 10:30 they had tried knocking the door of Sushant Singh Rajput and there had been no response, and there was a sense of little bit of anxiety and chaos inside the house of Sushant Singh Rajput. The question is, on one hand, if there is chaos inside the house, how could Dipesh, out of all the milieu, be so particular about his job to send a message to one of the one of the liaison officers or liaison person for for a brand endorsement contract at around 10:51. Now that has raised a lot of questions as whether Dipesh had been lying all throughout, because Dipesh had so far maintained that he had seen Sushant Singh Rajput last around 8 o'clock when he stepped out of his room and took some juice, 2 glasses of juice, and went inside and never came out. So this chat history or this conversation which has been accessed exclusively by Times Now indicates that Dipesh possibly has not given out the true story or the real story at the first place. And if that hasn't been the case, the big question is, what was he trying to hide? Why was he trying to hide, and why did he wait till 10:51 to raise an alarm if there was so much of chaos inside the house, and instead of raising an alarm, why would he go ahead and send this text with possibly Sushant Singh Rajput has asked him to inquire, but be so particular about the timing, be so particular about that moment that he chose to send that message to the other professional, instead of being more anxious about Sushant Singh Rajput not opening the door. So yes, Riya Chakraborty's questioning session is going on. It's day 4 and it is extremely significant because in the past 3 days we have seen Riya Chakraborty along with others usual faces like Neeraj, Keshav, Dipesh, Samuel Miranda and Siddharth Pithani go inside. But today for the first time we can confirm that Shruti Modi has gone inside. We also know that Suved Lohia has gone inside, and these are important characters who would now be facing the CBI, possibly helping CBI in corroboration of facts, because their association with Riya Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput are quite intertwined at some point, overlapping each other. So their testimonies,
and that's a very important thing. So let me go across to Kajal. Kajal, is that why the CBI is not just examining them, but also cross-interrogating them? Because as this WhatsApp chat shows, that testimonies are simply not adding up. If you can tell us some of the other discrepancies which are now coming to light.
Yes, of course. That is one of the important reasons why the questioning has been going on for a while now. Remember, it's been more than a week since the CBI officials have arrived, more than 10 days actually, and all of this time we have been seeing them interrogating the people, especially the ones who were present in the house when Sushant Singh Rajput was discovered dead. So the very fact that they have not stopped calling them, they have not ceased their questioning, goes on to show that there are various inconsistencies that they are trying to tie up, and they are trying to tie all of these loose ends by asking the other people also involved as to whether they could corroborate any of these things. Remember, till the 8th, Riya was also there. After that, it was only these 4-5 people who were there, and that is why it becomes very, very crucial to try and find out what exactly happened, because in case the CBI needs to prove criminality in a court of law, then these testimonies, these inconsistencies are going to be the base of the case.
Absolutely. Kajal, stay with us. Pranesh is also joining us. Pranesh, on the big screen, if you can explain to us the chats and more importantly, the relevance of the timing of this message.
Let me quickly put this in context, Meghna. Now, Kushal Zaveri was a friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, the director of the serial that Sushant worked in, Pavitra Rishta, and he had spoken to Times Now before, and he had told us that on June 14th, Dipesh Sawant, the housekeeper, sent him a message. Then it wasn't clear what the message was about and also the time. Now, if you see this, this is the June 9th message. Now, this is Kushal Zaveri talking to Sushant Singh Rajput, and he says, "Bhai, one company is trying to reach you. Whose number should I give to them?" Sushant says, "Bhai, Dipesh is with me." Okay, bhai, done. Move to June 14. Look at the time here, 10:51. Hi sir, SSR asked me to get in touch with you regarding this company. This is the message Dipesh Sawant at 10:51 in the morning sent to Kushal Zaveri. What is the context? This is the context, because on June 9th, both Kushal Zaveri and Sushant Singh Rajput were discussing about this prospective deal with this e-commerce giant, and Sushant, when asked by Kushal Zaveri, said that please give Dipesh's number. Dipesh is with me, which is why Dipesh Sawant perhaps sent that message. But we don't know what was the instruction to Dipesh Sawant on 14th. What was the reason behind his 10:51 message to Kushal Zaveri, in which he said, "Hi sir, SSR asked me to get in touch with you regarding the company." And then Kushal Zaveri has told us that he was sleeping. It was a Sunday, June 14th. He was sleeping. When he got up around afternoon, by then it was clear that Sushant Singh was found dead in his room, which is why this late response at 14:48. At 2:48 in the afternoon, this is his first response. "Bhai is safe. Please reply yes or no. Bhai, we are outside. Let me know if you need any help. Bhai, koi bhai help chahiye to phone karna. We will be there in 5 minutes." So he was obviously rattled with the messages that he was getting. He didn't know what to say to the message that he got from Dipesh Sawant at 10:51. Now, why is this important, Meghna? Because this tells us about the sequence of events on June 14th, when the flatmates claim they discovered Sushant's dead body. So at 10:51, if Dipesh Sawant had sent this message to Kushal Zaveri, the question is, at what time did Sushant tell Dipesh Sawant to get in touch with Kushal Zaveri? At what time did the flatmates discover that Sushant had locked his room, that he wasn't responding to their calls? So these are some questions, and fundamental ones are that the flatmates will have to answer. And remember, over the last few days, they have been quizzed by the CBI, and sources are telling us
Absolutely. There were
that
4
there are
of
many
them present inside that apartment who found the body of Sushant Singh Rajput.